Let's talk about elemental analysis of Sri Lanka. The Democratic Socialist Republic of Sri Lanka is an island country located in South Asia. Sri Lanka's documented history goes back 3000 years, with evidence of prehistoric human settlement that dates to at least 125,000 years. Today, singles are the majority of the nation's population, but in the prehistoric time, this island was ruled by Tamil kings. How Sri Lanka contributed many things for strengthening humanity, I will explain through elemental analysis of Sri Lanka. In the name of Sri Lanka, first letter is S, which is symbol of sulfur. Third letter is I, which is symbol of iodine. Fourth and fifth letter L and A, which is symbol of lanthanum. Sixth letter is N, which is symbol of nitrogen. Seventh and eighth letter is K and A, which is symbol of potassium. Sulfur has two important forms. One is rhombic, another one is monoclinic. Similarly, Sri Lanka ruled by two important kings, Ravana and Indra. Generally, natural rubber very soft in nature. When mixed with the sulfur, it will become hard and strong. This property called as vulcanization. So, sulfur is used for strengthening the rubber. Similarly, these rulers contributed many things for strengthening the humanity. Next element in the name of Sri Lanka is iodine. Generally, non-metals are non-lustrous in nature, but iodine alone lustrous in nature. Similarly, in the ancient time, peoples from rest of the world struggled for survival, but ancient Tamils were lived with their standard life. They flourished in dancing, music, architecture and literature. This different property of iodine is responsible for Tamils were different from rest of the world. Next element in the name of Sri Lanka is lanthanum. Lanthanum belongs to F block elements. Generally, F block elements called as rare earth elements. Similarly, Sri Lanka has many rare qualities. Example, Singagiri, Sigiriya or Lion Rock, which is the best preserved example of ancient urban planning. It is one of the rarest structure on the planet Earth. Next element in the name of Sri Lanka is nitrogen. Nitrogen is a diatomic molecule which do not take part in chemical reaction at ordinary temperature because bond energy is very high. Similarly, Sri Lanka abundant with secrets about human race. We cannot open and study now because it's already reached the hands of elites. Most of the manuscripts preserved in Vatican. Next element in the name of Sri Lanka is potassium. Potassium is highly aggressive towards water. When it contacts with water, catches fire immediately. Similarly, Sri Lankan navies always aggressive approach towards Tamil fishermen in Indian Oceans. So, Sri Lanka contains 5 elements: sulfur, iodine, lanthanum, nitrogen and potassium. Sulfur has two important forms. One is rhombic, another one is monoclinic. Similarly, two important kings in Sri Lanka, Ravana and Indra. Rare earth element, lanthanum is responsible for rare structure on the planet Earth, Singagiri, Sigiriya or Lion Rock. Nitrogen has higher bond dissociation energy, very difficult to open, which is responsible for ancient history of Sri Lanka. Water sensitive nature of potassium is responsible for Sri Lankan Navy high aggressive approach towards Tamil fishermen. Hope enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.